Happy Monday, everyone. It's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. All right, here she is. I'm fully revealing that antique dresser that I've been working so hard on. There she is. I call this piece the rustic champagne dresser. And here's the left side. This is the side I painted first, and what inspired the look and the name of this piece, rustic champagne. Can you guys tell I live next to a very, very busy intersection on Route 1? My house shakes when semi-trailers go by. So here's a close-up of some of that champagne metallic. I placed it along the edging and in the corners to just make some of the details pop. This heavy dresser, it is heavy, sits on 4 caster wheels. That does help immensely when you need to move this piece around a room. And I'm going to zoom in again on those metallic highlights. Okay, you guys, here is a close-up of the right side of that antique dresser I just finished. Hey, Biscuit. Oh, he's hyper, people. He's hyper. So I wanted to show you guys all the layered paint, how it looks in natural sunlight. Because that other night I made a YouTube video and I did it during the night, and the light wasn't picking up all this yummy details. So you can see where I've added the metallic sheen when the light hits it. So there's the right side. Here's the gorgeous top. This is called Tiger Oak. It looks like tiger stripes. I love how the grain popped when I stained this piece, and it looks even more fabulous with 3 coats of satin poly on top of it. Just a really standout piece. Very unique, very rich looking. Okay, here's the back to the antique dresser. Hopefully I'm not gonna burn my butt against this radiator as I pull out my camera. I'm really squished at my workshop. Biscuit. There's the back. Thank you so much for watching this reveal video. I will have full details and dimensions and many more pictures listed on my Facebook business page at Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration, along with a price. This piece is now ready for its new home.